Alright, so my name's Alex, and today we are going to be solving this problem. This problem was given to me by my cousin. So basically we have to find the perpendicular distance from this line to this line. And we're given that this side is 15, this side is 16, and the height, or the perpendicular distance from here to here, is 4 centimeters. So let me just draw this out again. From here to here is 4 centimeters. Alright, so first off, let's label this A, B, C, D. So we'll call this point E. So now we notice in triangle EBC, we can figure out this angle here. Alright, so to do this we're going to need a calculator, which I do not have in my room. Oh gosh, that's okay, we'll keep it in sine, or in this case, yeah, it's gonna be sine. Alright, so let's just draw this out. Let's draw this triangle again. Just over here. Yeah, we'll do it below. Alright, so this is 6, this is 4, this is a right angle, so now we just need to figure this out. We need to figure out theta, so theta, sine of theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, so 4 over 6, so theta is equal to sine inverse of 2 over 3. Sometimes this is also known as arcsine, I believe. But yeah, we'll put this in our calculator, we'll get some angle. So we figured out theta. This angle here will be the same as this angle here. And now we make a very careful observation that we can essentially draw another line from this point here to here. Let's see. Alright, make it more straight. There we go. That's also a right angle. So this is a right angle. So these two lines will have the same length. So you can essentially view this line being shifted down here. And now we'll call this new point F on this dot here. So this was triangle EBC. Now in triangle FCD, we just need to figure out this value here, H. So let's draw it out again. Oops. There we go. Alright, close enough. It's 90 degrees. We know this. We know this. We don't know this. So sine of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, opposite over hypotenuse, opposite over 15. So H is equal to 15 times sine of theta. However, we know that sine of theta is actually 2 over 3. So this is equal to 15 times 2 over 3, which is equal to 10 centimeters. So H is 10 centimeters. I hope that explains it. So the trick with this problem really was just to find an angle and to identify that this angle here will be the same as this angle here. And yeah, that's it. Cool. Thanks for watching.